All right, hey, let's talk about our weather this week because we're not dealing with anything severe like that, but we are dealing with some real intense heat.
And we know that can be dangerous for a lot of people if you're out in it too long, Mary.
Yeah, even pets, I always say if it's too hot for you, too hot for them. So, it's going to be really hot later on, and you're really going to feel the heat when you're stepping out, and especially if you're out in the sunshine for a long period of time. This morning, about the coolest and most comfortable we're going to get today. A beautiful start right now looking over the city, and we're seeing temperatures right now at 66 degrees, a little bit hazy. We also have that patchy fog, especially for places like Indiana, Greensburg, down to 1/4 mile, and Newcastle, reduced visibility to 1/4 mile, and then a lot of that fog even staying into the West Virginia panhandle. So we have clear skies, calm winds, close to average for our lows. We're at 62 in Franklin, 63 Washington, that patchy fog in Latrobe, 64 degrees. So just give yourself a couple of extra minutes as you're heading out to the bus stop. Dew points are in the low 60s, which is actually pretty comfortable, especially for what we're going to be dealing with later on, where yesterday we had dew points into the low to mid 70s. That's about as high as it gets in Pittsburgh. So our high temperature was 88, but it felt at about 94, 95 degrees. So a repeat of that today, but we are going to go for 90 degrees this afternoon, mostly sunny. So not really looking at a big chance for rain at all because we have that warmer air aloft, kind of keeping a lid on that convection. The best chance will return again tomorrow, but the heat remains. So hottest time of the day, 4, 5 o'clock, and that's really the time people are getting home from work. And if you're just in the shade, it'll feel a little bit better, but just make sure you're finding ways to stay hydrated. High pressure will keep us nice and quiet, blocking out those clouds. So looking at our satellite and radar, nice and clear starting off. It looks good, but our high temperatures are going to get to about 90 degrees, and the hottest day will be tomorrow. We're going to see a chance for an isolated storm tomorrow, especially during the afternoon. Could make it a little bit warmer, hotter than 90 degrees, and then another run for 90 on Thursday, but that's a better shot for some scattered showers and storms as we're going to start to see a frontal boundary trying to make its way into the region. So just that isolated chance, very slight chance for those showers and storms to pop up throughout the end of the week. A better chance for really the end of the week and for the weekend. So today, 90 degrees, mostly sunny. Put on the sunscreen. Tonight, 70 degrees, another round of patchy fog tomorrow morning, so it's not going to be as cool, and we stay with those low temperatures in the 70s through the rest of the week. 92 tomorrow, 91 on Thursday, nearly 10 degrees above average. We should be at 81 this time of the year. So by Friday, 89, not shaking the heat until really next week. And then for the weekend, we do have the chance for some scattered showers or storms, especially for Sunday. And then Monday, we'll get closer to average and a little bit cooler than what we've been dealing with a high of 83.